I need to speak to you about a very serious subject today. Frozen daiquiris.
How not to sail. Screwing up is part of cruising. Let me show you how. Yar.
Speaking of beverages, though, this whole daiquiri thing, though, started when me and the Admiral were fortunate enough to visit the Floridita bar in Havana, where Hemingway used to hang out, and we had an excellent daiquiri there. But the turning point was when our friends Becky and Carnes got me this handy blender for my birthday, ostensibly for making protein smoothies, which it's also excellent for. But then I ran across a recipe from a fellow who used to work at the Floridita, and I simplified it a little bit, and I think you might enjoy it. Beside rum, limes, and ice, you need three important things. One, a good blender. Two, some maraschino liqueur, not cherry liqueur, but something like this Luxardo cherry liqueur. And demerara sugar. And here's what you do with them. So first we're going to add 6 ounces of regular Bacardi white rum. And we're going to add a teaspoon and a third of the Luxardo maraschino liqueur. Then I'm going to add about 4.5 teaspoons of the demerara sugar. Add the juice from 2 limes. And I'll represent to you this is 2.5 cups of ice. Throw them in the blender, which I'm going to take downstairs so we don't disturb people. Set it on the intelligent ice crushing mode. Et voila! Hope you enjoy it. If you happen to be needing a blender, I'll put a link to this one below. It's not too pricey. If you happen to buy it from the link, I believe I will make approximately enough to make another daiquiri. Cheers!